दून पब्लिक स्कूल खोलने का उद्देश्य यहाँ के वासियों को शिक्षा के माध्यम उपलब्ध करना है।
विद्यालय की स्थापना हमने पैसा कमाने के उद्देश्य से नहीं बल्कि एक अच्छे नागरिक का निर्माण करने के लिए किया है। आज हमें खुशी है कि बिहार के लगभग सभी जिलों के बच्चे यहाँ पढ़ रहे हैं। इस बिहार के बाहर के बच्चे भी यहाँ दाखिला लेना चाहते हैं। इससे बड़ी खुशी हमें और क्या होगी। जो मेरा मकसद था गुणवत्तापूर्ण शिक्षा देना, उसमें अभी तक हम सफल रहे हैं।
मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि मैं अपने ज़िले में एक ऐसे स्कूल के बारे में चर्चा कर रहा हूँ आपसे, जो गत 5 सालों में एक अपना मुकाम, एक अपना स्थान हासिल कर लिया है।
Doon Public School was started in 2013, and since the beginning we have been working to nourish the young birds. In the words of Swami Vivekananda, education is the manifestation of innate ability of a child, and the main objective of education is to bring the desirable change in the behavior of a child or a student. Vision behind this school is to provide the world-class high-tech education to the student of the far remote area. Education is not the matter of certificate, degrees and diplomas. Education must be life-oriented. This is my personal opinion that every moment of life is like an examination. I have been instructing the student that examination may be the incident, examination may be the 2-hour, 3-hour event, but we have to make them ready to face the examination of every moment of life.
The day at Doon starts with much needed physical exercise. Students assemble in the ground and begin fitness training. We have yoga classes. In this, students learn various body postures. Yoga helps your children to become more mindful and aware. We also have karate classes. With experienced teachers, students learn the basics of karate. It helps your child gain flexibility and physical strength. The school assembly. It is organized and conducted by students themselves. It starts with a prayer and also has speeches, news, poems delivered by students themselves. Doon Public School has a world-class library with up to 5,000 books. Students can read about various subjects. It helps your child to develop deep into space as well as stories of Shakespeare and Munto. The Biology Lab. It helps your child to discover the secrets of the micro world. Here, students do various biological experiments. Facilities like microscope, model of heart, and chemicals are provided, helping them understand the biological world. The Chemistry Lab. It helps your child to understand the reactions and working of the matter. With well-equipped facilities and instruments, students can perform a number of chemical experiments. The Physics Lab. It helps your child to understand the processes of nature and their behavior. Here, students do experiments about sound, light, electricity, and heat. A Computer Lab. It helps your child to unlock the secrets of the virtual world. We have the best experienced teachers who are always available to clear any doubts. We have the best computers which help your child to understand the functioning of the cyber world. The Mathematics Lab. It helps your child to understand the abstract science of numbers and quantities. With various facilities and equipment, students can learn how to apply maths in real life. The Geography Lab. It helps your child to understand the sciences behind the lens. its features and the phenomenon called the Earth. With the various models, students learn the functioning of the environment. They also understand various natural incidents.
Mars has two moons, Phobos and Deimos. Compared to Mars or our own moon, pretty tiny.
Language Lab. It helps your child to have the best command, pronunciation and fluency over the English language. Sports. We at Doon Public School believe that physical growth and fitness are as important as the mental growth, and so we have a variety of indoor and outdoor sports. It teaches students various life skills like teamwork, leadership, and patience. It inculcates discipline. We have experienced coaches dedicated to individual sports and also have intra-school championships for students to have a healthy competitive spirit and a surge of positive energy. We have dedicated grounds for cricket, football, volleyball, and badminton. We also have well-maintained sports equipment. Indoor games create happiness and reduce stress. We have a fully equipped gym for students to work their bodies out and stay fit. Regular health exercise carries various mental and physical benefits.
Doon Public School, KG Bing, was inaugurated on 4th April 2015 by Justice Samrinder Pratap Singh, Patna High Court. This school was especially established to cater the needs of age group 2 years to 6 years. In this school, we followed Japanese method of teaching. We give more emphasis on manners, etiquettes of the children.
We have specially designed play school for children below 6 years, a place which is a second home to your child. It has enough things to attract child and make them feel comfortable. Kids are of very tender age. When they start attending the play school, they need to be dealt with much love and care. Our play school teachers are the best. They have patience and sense of humor. Here, the children learn how to communicate. Our play school helps your child in developing mathematical and language skill. It is a place full of fun rides and activities which let your children grow in a happy and safe environment. Transport. We care for your children's safety. The transport facility at the Doon Public School is very good. The school buses are very comfortable and are there to take your child to school and back to home through the scenic beauty of Begusarai. Our buses are driven by responsible bus drivers, which ensures your children's safety.
Activity breeds success. That's why we are conducting the wide range of activity so that they could get the exposure, and at the same time we are also organizing the different type of hobbies clubs so that they should take the interest in their hobbies, and that hobbies, the co-curricular activities build up the confidence among the children.
We at Doon Public School totally encourage co-curricular activities. The school curriculum is designed in a way to ensure the all-round development of your child, which includes bringing out the artist in them. Be it painting, dance, music or writing, we provide the right environment with the help of a highly skilled instructor to let the students express their creativity in the form of art, It is mesmerizing to watch the students doing sketches, making paintings, dancing, playing instruments, and showing the imaginative side of their persona. The school mess within the school premises provides the students with delicious and nutritious food to keep them energized throughout the day. A healthy outfit with a healthy brain is our utmost priority. The school has NCC too, which helps students to incorporate a disciplined lifestyle. We also have a school band. It is a treat to watch the students in handling and playing instruments by all themselves. Even in the school song, it is the students who play the musical instruments. We have up-to-date smart class for better learning of your child. This is the place where the books are closed, but the learning continues. Exams are certainly the most stressful time of the student's life. But here at Doon Public School, we have the night preparatory classes with the teacher to clear all the doubts of your children and help them to brush up the concepts. However, we don't just study here all the time. We have the right blend of academics and entertainment in our curriculum. This is the reason we have the occasional movie nights for entertainment. The dormitories are the home away from the home for the students. Here, their family is fellow students. This is where they learn the discipline of life, mutual trust, friendships, and build dreams, in which they are pilots, IAS officer, army officers, filmmakers, and leaders. Doon Public School, where dreams become reality.
We try to prepare such generation who can think beyond caste, beyond creed, reason and religion. Our main motto is to prepare such generation with global vision as a global citizen, and let us make your child as the first-rate global citizen with qualities of trendsetter.
Doon Public School.
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 Doon Public
Doon Public School.
Doon Public School.